Welcome, here I've got Oppo A54 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner. When we pick this button, we can open the advanced camera settings. And here we have the shooter sound option, so by using the button from the right we can turn it off or turn it on as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's move back to the camera and let me take another picture. Now, as you can hear, the sound is turned off. Let's move back to the right corner. When we want to turn on sound again, we have to once again tap to this button, and now we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.